Let's get a look at our forecast. Lonnie, Quinn is standing by. We have some rain moving in for tomorrow.
Yeah, and tomorrow's going to be the bump in the road, and then I think we're doing okay as you get into the weekend. But let's check in right now with all of my weather watchers and what they're reporting. We can pick any spot we want. How about, boom, ice slip. Ice slip, what's happening? Nancy is out there, 74 degrees, and she is telling me nice and dry today, but humidity moving back in tonight. Yep, and I think that's going to lead to some showers and some storms, some of which could be on the severe side. 85 degrees was your high temperature today. Now, right now, you're resting pretty nicely at 76 degrees, but 85 at 127 in the afternoon. 2 degrees warmer than we typically see this time of the year. Now, there is a storm risk for your day on Friday. It's not an all-day rain. In fact, the better chance to find the storms would be during the afternoon hours. Looks like a pretty darn great holiday weekend. There will be west winds, at least for the Saturday, and maybe into a portion of your Sunday part of the weekend. And with a west wind, you get fewer rip currents because it's not pushing that water on shore. Just be prepared, though. I think that wind could shift around, so the latter portion of the holiday weekend could be more of a problem with the rip currents. Just keep an eye on the lifeguards at your beach. So the holiday weekend looks like this. Saturday, nice start, 83. Sun and cloud mix. Now, there will be some clouds out there, I think, throughout the entire weekend, but it's a really good-looking forecast. Sunday looks good at 86 degrees. Could see a few more clouds, especially along maybe the Jersey Shore with a little bit of a sea breeze kicking in. And then Monday, sun and cloud mix. But on Monday, I think you could see more clouds later in the day because we are looking at a little bit of a rain chance on Tuesday, so maybe a little added cloud cover gets here. Should be okay for the fireworks. We'll keep a close eye on that one for you. 84 on Sunday. Right now, we look great out there. The bigger picture will show you. We were watching a chance for some wet weather out of this low pressure system, but it looks like it's the bulk that's moving offshore. It's really not keyed in on our area. Could see a little bit spill over in the morning hours for places south of the city, but here's your risk for some wet weather on Friday. And again, some of these storms could be on the severe side. Here we go into Friday morning. Notice how that activity floating up from the south. Now watch how it's going to shift and come in from the west. That's that front I just showed you out around to the western Great Lakes. And some of those storms could be really on the heavy side. Then it clears out for your day on Saturday. So here's what we have for you. 81 degrees with that thunderstorm chance tomorrow. And just remember, it's not an all-day storm, but whenever you see those storms, they have a possibility of being on the severe side, and we do have a severe threat right there, anywhere from 10 to 20% around the city to 30% chance north and west. Then you get to the weekend, and again, we talk about the entire long weekend looks pretty good. Sun and cloud mix, temperatures in the 80s, looking pretty nice. More clouds start to build, especially late Monday going into Tuesday. Tuesday, a slight chance for some wet weather at 83.
Love it.
But enjoy the weekend, guys.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Lonnie.